Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss the example for function and graph. Given the function fx is equals to ln bracket 3x plus 2. A. State the domain and range for the function fx. B. Find the inverse function and state its domain and range. C. Sketch the graph for the function fx and its inverse on the same coordinate axis. So, first, what I'm going to do is to find the inverse function. So let y is equals to fx and we have f inverse y is equals to x, where we have y is equals to ln bracket 3x plus 2. Kindly express the situation in the index form. Means that we have to exponent both sides, where we have exponent y is equals to exponent ln bracket 3x plus 2. And from here we can simplify the situation and it will become exponent y is equals to 3x plus 2. Rearrange the situation. X is equals to exponent y minus 2 over 3. So from here, where we have f inverse of x is equals to exponent x minus 2 over 3. So where we have the f inverse. Then we are going to find the domain and range for fx and also its inverse. So kindly refers to the function fx, where we have ln bracket 3x plus 2. So kindly focus on the domain for the function fx. So as we all know, for the situation ln, the internal function must be 3x plus 2 greater than 0. So from here, x must be greater than negative 2 over 3. So the domain for f is equals to negative 2 over 3 until infinity, where the negative 2 over 3 is not included. Next, what we have to do is to find the domain for the f inverse. So kindly refers to the function. Given the situation is exponent, so the domain for f inverse actually is equals to negative infinity until infinity. So if we understand the relationship between the f and f inverse, they are inverse to each other. So the domain for f, which is negative 2 over 3 until infinity, actually is the range for f inverse. Then for the domain for f inverse, which is all real number, and actually it is represent the range for f. So rewrite the situation. Domain for f negative 2 over 3 until infinity, and the range for f is all real number. As for the domain for f inverse, it is negative infinity until infinity, and the range for f inverse is negative 2 over 3 until infinity, where the negative 2 over 3 is not included. So next, what we have to do is to sketch the graph for the function fx and its inverse on the same coordinate axis. So kindly focus on the function fx. So just now we already mentioned that the domain for f is negative 2 over 3 until infinity, where the negative 2 over 3 is not included. So from here we can say that, so the asymptote for the function fx is x equals to negative 2 over 3. Next, what we have to do is to find the xy intercept. So when x is equals to 0, the value of y will be equals to ln 2. Kindly estimate the value of ln 2, where we have 0.69. So the points of intersect will be 0, ln 2. Next, when y is equals to 0, where we have 0 equals to ln bracket 3x plus 2. Express the situation in an index form where we have exponent 0 equals to 3x plus 2. Exponent 0 is equals to 1. So where we have 1 minus 2 over 3 equals to x. So the value of x will be equals to negative 1 over 3. So the points of intersection will be negative 1 over 3, 0. Next, what we have to do is to find out the direction of the graph ln. So we have to refer to the coefficient of x, where we have a positive. So the meaning of positive, the direction of the graph will be towards the right. So next, what we have to do is to sketch the graph. So in here we have the asymptote x equals to 2 over 3. So kindly estimate. So let's say here we have 1. So the negative 2 over 3 will be around here. So the graph will be something like this. Where we have the points of intersection ln 2, which is around 0.7. So the point would be 0 ln 2. For the x-intercept, it is negative 1 over 3, 0. And the asymptote is x equals to negative 2 over 3. So that will be the graph for the function fx equals to ln bracket 3x plus 2. Next, we have to sketch the graph for f inverse. So in here, the method I'm going to use is the reflection method. So as we all know, the reflection will be referring to y equals to x, where we have the reflection exists. So means that we are going to interchange the value of x and y by referring to the function fx. So first what we have to do is to refer to the asymptote x equals to negative 2 over 3. So in here, for the function fx, x is equals to negative 2 over 3. For the f inverse, it will be y equals to negative 2 over 3. As I mentioned earlier, we have to reflect the situation. Kindly estimate the horizontal asymptote, where we have y is equals to negative 2 over 3. And here we have the reflection axis, which is y equals to x. So now we are going to reflect the point. So kindly refers to the x-intercept, where we have negative 1 over 3, 0, 0, negative 1 over 3. For the next point, kindly refers to 0 ln 2. If we reflect the situation, and it will become ln 2, 0. Kindly sketch the graph. So the graph will be something like this. So that will be the graph for f inverse, where we have exponent x minus 2 over 3. And they will intersect at y equals to x. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think the video is useful, kindly consider to like, comment, share and subscribe.